In this video, we'll talk about elements and how you can enrich your templates using them. Elements are the building blocks of every document template. They allow you to turn a simple textual document into a rich, content-filled document which can satisfy the needs of a whole range of users. Let's have a look in the template. In order to open the Elements section, go to Add-ons, Maven Documents, Template Builder. Here you can find the Elements section with a wide range of elements to choose from. In our sales quote, we want to add a table of all the products that we offer in this quote. Thus, we'll be using a table element. Put your cursor where you want your table to be, navigate to Elements and choose Table. Give your table a name, choose the object the information comes from. In our example, since we want to show a list of products, we select the opportunity line item. Give your variable a name, it will be used as a short label for the chosen object. Set the repeating row to 1 to repeat the second row in your table until it lists all the related records, in our case all the opportunity line items. The reason we need to put 1 to actually repeat the second row is because, as you might know, in the development world, counting starts from 0. In our table, we need 3 rows: the header, repeating row, and row for the total amount we want to highlight after the product's list. We also need 4 columns for product name, quantity, unity price, and total price. Once we set it up, we can insert the table in our template. Now, we just need to format our table the way we want it to look. To insert dynamic data coming from Salesforce into our 4 columns, we'll use fields from Maven Documents Template Builder the way we did in the previous videos. After finishing formatting the table and filling in all the necessary fields, you can now display the product list on your quote with just one click. Here's the final look of the document with the created table. You can enrich your templates even further with images, QR codes, and more. Feel free to explore and create a template that will reflect the uniqueness of your business.